Hello and welcome to this review. I'm gonna review this USB flashlight. This is a good flashlight in my opinion, and you have 10 shots. It with a USB port. You put in the flashlight in middle of this, and you charge this on a connector or what you call it. So this is have 5 settings in this flashlight. You have small, medium, and large circle. So medium circle, uh, small circle, and a big circle. So you get around very large area to see. Then to others is the forge is twitching, blinking, or what we see, so tap 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 tap. And the fifth one is S.O.S signal, so they do a S.O.S do, so you know. So um, this is my opinion, and if you want to check it out, I have a link in the description.